Introducing Studio Number 2 Usability Testing. The product we chose for our usability testing was the Emerson Research SmartSet Time Projector. Features of the clock are listed in the description. Our location for the testing was in Odegaard Library Study Room. The user focus for our testing was university students, as we determined this selected demographic was greatly impacted by the product because it is something they use every day. Tasks we prepared for users were setting current time, set alarm 1, and set projector to display time on the wall, as we determined these tasks are the most important, standout, yet problematic features of the product. Metrics chosen were time taken to complete tasks in seconds, perceived ease or difficulty of tasks from a scale of 1 to 5, and for participants to describe in their own words their experience completing the task. The metrics chosen measured the major 3 elements considered during usability testing, such as efficiency, effectiveness, and satisfaction.
For task 1, the users took on average about 2.5 minutes to finish, with participant 2 failing to finish. Each user thought the task was the most difficult of the 3. For task 2, users took on average about 1 minute to finish, and each user believed it was less difficult than task 1. For task 3, the users took on average about 20 seconds to finish, and each user thought it was the easiest of the 3 tasks. For design issues, the participants as a whole struggled with understanding whether the time was in AM or PM without cycling through 12 hours. The users were unhappy with the time and dates, slow incrementation by minutes or days, and the users were also unhappy with the layout of the buttons.
We have 3 major design recommendations for this product. First, to provide an AM/PM button for users to set and display both AM and PM on the clock screen. Second, the clock should allow for incrementation by hour and minute when setting the time and allow for incrementation in months when setting the date. Finally, we recommend some major button redesigning. Under the set buttons, display the word hold to notify users to hold for faster incrementation. Place the button to set the alarm for the off buzzer and radio setting next to the other alarm buttons, and include a button to switch back to the clock for easier navigation between clock and setting adjustments. For a future study, we would consider gathering more detailed information on the participants. Additionally, the time and difficulty level were often related, so they could be considered exchangeable metrics. We could have included another metric to diversify our gathered information. Finally, we would consider prompting the participants with questions such as, what would you improve and why? And we would possibly add a new task because the projector adjustment task was too straightforward.